about to ski down. You can see Garibaldi Lake behind. You can see Black Tusk. I'm dropping in. Woo. It's not pow. It's not pow. It's what it is. Windy as fuck. It was like painful to do that transition here.